Hey guys, check this out. Technical Tuesday's a day early. Looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin at $22,357. Extreme pumps. Now, looking at the price action here, it's really just an insane pump. Like, it's crazy how Bitcoin is really just pumping out of nowhere with the ETH merge and all this news happening in the month of September. Now, we know that historically there's a drop, and we saw that drop a week or two ago. We saw that drop at the beginning of September, but now it's just recovering, springing back. It broke through a minor level of resistance here at 22,000, and now, it's everyone saying this is it. That was a bottom. Kind of see a double bottom here if we look at this level of support here about the 18,000 mark, but I still do not think we're out of the woodwork yet until we break and close above 25 grand. So that's what I'm waiting for. I don't care what anyone says. That's what I'm waiting for. And we can even go to extreme fear greed. We can see if we are still at extreme fear here, looking at what's going on here. Extreme fear is still at 25. So still a lot of uncertainty. But there is some good news. Some bullish news here. More than 500 million new consumers might buy crypto by 2030. Now, remember how early you are in this. Remember that. Remember how early you are sitting here watching this video and wondering if crypto is for you and wondering if this is something that is going to be around. It's happening. It's happening, guys. And I can't stress that enough. Looking at this article here, it's saying 500 million or more investors are going to enter the financial market by 2030. A group of new high and middle income consumers might become a new source of growth for cryptocurrency market. As the data provided in the report suggests that a new layer of consumers will grow in the Asian and African regions. People are seeing this as a way to change their financial life, to build legacy wealth. So, these third world countries, not necessarily Asia, not all parts of Asia, some parts of Asia, but Africa, there are third world parts of Africa that are using this as an opportunity. Now, there's no barrier to entry now. So typically before you needed to know somebody, you needed to have a crazy idea. The barrier to entry for crypto is so small that third world countries are now using this as a way to finally get ahead. And that's why I think governments may not like this, because now you can't control people. You can't control them by, their income, because financial freedom, means freedom. Financial freedom means no control. Financial freedom means that they can make decisions for themselves. And that's what we're seeing here. So remember this, and remember what's happening. Looking at Ethereum's pumping up, of course, because of the ETH merge. I want to see what everything looks like when we die down. Now, I have this level for Ethereum as well. We'll make this on the wick. We'll make this right on the tip of the wick, and we'll make it about $2,000. I want to see, do we break above $2,000 or do we break below? I think after the dust settles, after all this hype settles, Ethereum will be under $1,000 again. Bitcoin will be under 17, at least under 18 again. I think it'll be under 17.7 and make a new low. That's what I'm waiting for, and that's what I've called. I'm not changing up until I see a break above 25,000 with Bitcoin. If that happens, then that changes everything for me. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for the drop. I'm not buying into the hype. I'm not, buy the news, sell the hype, whatever that terminology is. I'm not jumping into it. I'm waiting to see what happens in the marketplace. I'm not getting this FUD. People are thinking they're going to miss out on Ethereum. You have time. Just be patient. That's what we're doing here, guys. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.